This is the new POCO X7. I have been using this device for just 3 days, but I have already started loving this phone for a few things. Since I did not get enough time yet, I am just adding my initial impressions in this video. Full review will take a few more days, and I also have the POCO X7 Pro for the review. If you don't want to miss upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe. Now coming back to POCO X7. In today's video, I am gonna show you the unboxing so you know what are the things that come with the phone. Then I will just talk about the specifications and a few things that I really liked about the phone. This is the detail box, and if you look at the back, key specifications have been printed. You get the POCO X7, the Type A to Type C cable, and this 45 watt adapter. You are also getting a silicone back cover to give the phone extra protection. Manual, and there is also a SIM ejector pin. Now have a look at the POCO X7. If I could remember right, this phone has a lot of similarities with Redmi Note 14 Pro. I am not just talking about the design, the specifications are also similar. POCO X7 has a plastic construction with curvy sides, curved display and curved back. Display has very narrow bezels that feels really good and provide you a more display area. The front also has Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is known for offering drop resistance, scratch resistance, fracture toughness and visual clarity. The power button is on the left side along with the volume rockers. The base side has USB-C port, speaker grills and SIM card slot. You can only add 2 SIM cards, no option to expand storage. At the top it has IR blaster for using it as a remote control for home appliances. On the back it has triple camera setup with LED flash in a squarish camera module. The back panel also has dotted pattern, not sure if that's visible to you. The phone is comfortable to hold, looks premium and offers a durable build quality. When I'm saying durable, I really mean it. I did a drop test, water immersion test and even put it under the car. Not even a single scratch on the phone. Usually phones with curved display are not so strong, but this phone is. I think I forgot to mention it earlier, this one carries IP68 plus IP69 ratings. You are getting a 6.7-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and trust me, this display is really good for movies and gaming. It has HDR and Dolby Vision support, offers wide viewing angles and has a really good peak brightness, so outdoor usage is also comfortable. Dual speakers on the phone are also impressive, so overall multimedia experience of POCO X7 is really good. You will love watching movies on this phone. The phone comes with HyperOS 1 based on Android 14. Since the company is already rolling out HyperOS 2 to some of existing devices, this phone should also get it soon. Not sure why POCO did not give Android 15 out of the box when it already have software ready. Now if I talk about the software experience, it's the same. You are getting lots of bloatware that you will have to uninstall. UI also has ads at several places. Not the clean experience that most people prefer, but UI feels smooth, snappy and responsive. The phone packs Dimensity 7300 Ultra, that's a 4nm SoC. It includes an octa-core processor and Mali G615 MC2 GPU. This is not as powerful as some of the competing phones, however, it does not disappoint. Be it a regular day-to-day usage or long gaming session, this phone seems to handle everything well. This model has 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixels primary camera with Sony LYT600 sensor and OIS, 8 megapixels ultra-wide angle camera and a 2 megapixels macro camera. For selfies, it has 20 megapixels front-facing camera. I did capture a few photos. I will talk about the camera performance in the full review video, but here are the few samples for you. The in-display fingerprint sensor also does a good job and unlocks the phone quickly. The POCO X7 also packs a 5500 mAh large battery that should give you a full day usage without a doubt, and you are also getting a 45 watt charger. I'm still testing the phone and a detailed video with all the pros and cons will come soon. If you have a question about POCO X7, don't forget to leave it in the comment and I will surely answer it in the full review video. That's it for this video. If you don't want to miss the full review, subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end and I will see you in the next one.